What the happened?
Le pasó razón por la cabeza de Ricky.
Oh, damn. That shit was weird. What the hell was that?
Ricky's gonna say, I'm not ready.
Where's the other one? Where's the thing at? Over here? Oh. It passed right by my head.
Ricky's gonna be like the army que keep on
We're not ready, we're not ready. Pero es para que agarre práctica.
He can dodge the bullets. Do it in the dark. Don't look good in the dark.
Told you. Then you wear sunglasses, right? And you have this in the dark. That's it. What kind of fireworks do you buy? Neighbor. Hey, let me do this. Let me do that one. No, not right now. Nigga, hold on.
Okay.
Stop, fool. Where did those things pass? Right on my head. Burn my head, dude. The first one, the gunpowder got in my eyes, fool.
Sit on this one, Benny.
No, they're fine. They're inside.
¿Que se quiere sentar en ese?
En el otro, en el...
Fuck yeah.
Why are you only recording me for? You're the funny one. Your brother almost got hit by a firework on his head.
Dile que no, man.